Hi guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another lehenga unboxing. This is also a requested video, so without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. Now, this is what I ordered. It's a replica lehenga. I actually thought it's going to be a palazzo pant, but it is a lehenga. So here's the package. This is the fabric for your blouse. It comes in this silk zari fabric and has like printed design all throughout the blouse. The design is same, and on the other side there's this shiny fabric, and even here if you see there's like slight of shine, and the fabric is really very thick, so you don't have to get a lining attached. So and there's about 0.70 meter of fabric for your blouse, so you can get a sleeveless or a crop top or like a mega sleeve kind of a blouse stitched in this. Next, let's see the skirt. Here's the skirt. This is how it looks. Again, it comes with this digital print. The print is same all throughout the skirt. There's no difference. And this is the waistband, simple waistband, and it has pretty good flare, like I think around 3.5 meter of flare. And inside they have given this satin lining. Again, the fabric really is very good. And to the bottom they have given that like a very slight small canvas, so that it's going to give that shape. So here's the canvas, stiff canvas thing. Going to fit waist up to 42 inches. So you can see it's pretty huge. Now I am really happy with the fabric. It comes with a coati as well. This is how it looks. The fabric has slight shine and it's more of a cotton fabric. And what I really like is that they have given the sleeve detailing. It's a tie-dye detail, and if you see the picture, it's exactly same, guys. Even the skirt, the blouse fabric, and the coati, it's like a full length coati. There's no other design. So this is how it looks. Coming to the price, the original price was 3,800 and the discounted price is 1,890 rupees, which I think is reasonable, and I would like to rate it 5 out of 5 because everything about the skirt, the blouse, the fabric, the design is exactly like how it is shown in the picture, and the quality is also really good. Now if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in my description box. You can check it out, and they do have cash on delivery option, guys. If you are out of India and want to purchase this, they do ship worldwide with an extra shipping charges. And in case if you get a defective product or if you're not satisfied with your product, you can return it. You will have to mail them within 7 days and they are going to arrange for a return. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's review. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.